7 best towns to live in Buckinghamshire. Buckinghamshire has a way of quietly stealing people's attention. One moment you're passing through rolling countryside, and the next you're standing in a town square that feels straight out of a classic English postcard. But not every place here offers the same lifestyle. Some towns stand out for their beauty, their strong communities, and their incredible balance between peaceful living and easy access to London. In this countdown, we're revealing the 7 best towns to live in Buckinghamshire, ranked from 7 to 1, with number 1 offering something truly special. Let's begin. 7. Chesham. Chesham sits tucked deep within the Chiltern Hills, and the setting alone makes it stand out. Surrounded by green valleys and wooded hillsides, the town feels far more rural than its transport links would suggest. Yet Chesham also has a practical advantage that many Buckinghamshire towns don't. It sits at the end of the Metropolitan Line, meaning you can reach London directly by underground. The town centre revolves around a historic high street filled with independent shops, cafés and traditional pubs. There's a relaxed local feel here that makes Chesham especially attractive to families and first-time buyers. One vivid detail that many residents love is the Chess Valley Walk, a scenic route that winds through meadows and riverside paths just minutes from the town centre. Property prices in Chesham are often slightly more approachable than in other parts of Buckinghamshire, which has helped the town grow steadily in popularity. With countryside views, a strong community atmosphere, and direct links to the capital, Chesham earns its place on the list. But the next town brings an even stronger sense of history. 6. Amersham. Amersham is the kind of place that instantly feels timeless. The town is divided into 2 parts, Old Amersham and Amersham on the Hill, and each has its own personality. Old Amersham is where the magic really happens. A long high street lined with historic buildings, coaching inns, and boutique shops creates an atmosphere that feels centuries old yet full of life. Walking here feels like stepping through living history. Timber-framed buildings and brick facades frame the street, while cosy cafés and restaurants keep the area buzzing throughout the week. It's the kind of place where locals greet each other by name. Amersham also scores highly for convenience. Both the London Underground and Chiltern Railways connect the town to London, making commuting surprisingly easy. That balance between historic charm and everyday practicality makes Amersham one of the most desirable towns in the county. Still, the towns ahead on this list offer something even more distinctive. 5. Great Missenden. Set within the rolling landscapes of the Chiltern Hills, Great Missenden is one of Buckinghamshire's most picturesque locations. The town feels calm and traditional, with narrow streets, countryside views, and a strong sense of community. One detail that makes Great Missenden especially memorable is its connection to storytelling. The town was home to beloved author Roald Dahl, and his presence left a lasting influence on the community. Visitors still explore landmarks connected to his life and work. But beyond that cultural connection, Great Missenden stands out for its setting. Hills and woodlands surround the town, creating some of the most beautiful walking routes in southern England. Despite this peaceful atmosphere, the railway line provides a direct route into London Marylebone, making the town surprisingly convenient for commuters. The combination of countryside scenery and cultural identity makes Great Missenden a special place to live. Yet the next town introduces something many people dream about: life beside the river. 4. Marlow. Marlow sits gracefully along the River Thames, and few towns in Buckinghamshire feel quite as vibrant. The riverside setting creates a relaxed, almost holiday-like atmosphere throughout the year. Walk along the riverbank and you'll often see rowing boats gliding across the water while people gather at cafés and restaurants nearby. One of the most iconic sights here is the elegant suspension bridge that crosses the Thames. It's a landmark that perfectly captures the town's charm. Marlow also has a reputation for exceptional dining. The town's restaurant scene attracts visitors from far beyond Buckinghamshire, bringing energy and creativity to its historic streets. Yet despite the attention, Marlow still feels welcoming and community-focused. For residents, the appeal lies in balance. Beautiful scenery, lively dining, and a thriving town centre make everyday life here feel special. But the next location on our list offers something even rarer: space and tranquility. 3. Wendover. Wendover is one of those towns that feels instantly peaceful. Sitting at the foot of the Chiltern Hills, it's surrounded by protected countryside that keeps the landscape remarkably untouched. The High Street is the heart of the town, lined with independent shops, bakeries, cafés, and traditional pubs. There's a genuine village-like atmosphere here, where local events and markets bring residents together. What makes Wendover particularly appealing is how easily the countryside becomes part of daily life. Step beyond the town centre, and you'll quickly find yourself walking through rolling hills and open fields. Yet Wendover is far from isolated. Rail connections make commuting to London possible, which is why many professionals choose to live here while working in the capital. The peaceful charm of Wendover secures it a strong position on our list. But the next town brings a touch of elegance that few places can match. 2. Beaconsfield. Beaconsfield blends heritage with modern comfort in a way that few towns manage. It's divided into two sections: the historic Old Town and the more contemporary New Town. Together, they create a place that feels both timeless and practical. Old Beaconsfield is particularly striking. A wide street lined with historic buildings, coaching inns, and charming houses creates an atmosphere that feels straight out of another era. Yet restaurants, cafés, and boutique shops keep the area lively. Beaconsfield also benefits from excellent connections. Sitting near the M40 and linked by rail to London Marylebone, the town is incredibly convenient for commuters. The overall feel is one of refinement and comfort. Tree-lined streets, attractive homes, and a well-kept town centre make Beaconsfield one of Buckinghamshire's most desirable addresses. Still, there is one town that captures the very best of the county. 1. Buckingham. Taking the top spot on our list is the historic market town of Buckingham. It combines heritage, community, and livability in a way that few towns manage. The town centre revolves around a traditional market square that still hosts regular markets and community gatherings. Independent shops, cafes, and historic buildings create a lively atmosphere without ever feeling crowded. One striking feature is the presence of the University of Buckingham. The university brings youthful energy and cultural events that add another layer of life to the town. Buckingham is also beautifully positioned along the River Great Ouse, with scenic walks and green spaces that residents enjoy throughout the year. The surrounding countryside adds to the town's peaceful character. What truly sets Buckingham apart is balance. It feels historic yet active, peaceful yet vibrant, traditional yet forward-looking. That rare combination makes it the strongest entry in the 7 best towns to live in Buckinghamshire. Buckinghamshire is filled with remarkable places, but these towns capture the lifestyle people search for: beautiful surroundings, welcoming communities, and a pace of life that feels just right. And if you enjoyed discovering the 7 best towns to live in Buckinghamshire, there are many more towns across Britain waiting to surprise you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.